So this year we organized the third time of KAIST Summer School in Mathematics for international students. So the first one was 2019. I think it's from Professor Harry Baik, Jungnam Lee, who was first thinking about this idea. And then the COVID broke out, and we couldn't organize further second version until last year. So Professor Harry Baik and myself and Professor Pianon Yajong also have the same idea that we should hold this series again. Last year was more difficult compared to this year, but I think my most impression is for KAIST general support for financials and human resource, especially though the people work as staff who work very hard, and we have some interaction between the KAIST students and international students. And also the goal of this program is attractive, motivated, good students from top university from Thailand, Vietnam, and Southeast Asia. So I think it's very good, and the goal is to introduce and let students experience at KAIST and also Korean cultures. And I think that's important, because if they only look information on the website, then they really don't experience it.
Yeah, when I was first come to KAIST, I was so wow. This school is really big. I have spent a day to visit all the buildings, but I couldn't do that. And ever I have heard that the Korean love convenience, and I found everything is here is very convenient. I can do and buy everything I need in just maybe take a short walk. Yeah, and the one more thing I impressed here is that the school is has a lot of professors in a large major in mathematics, so I can always find a professor that can help me to in my favorite major.
Hello, my name is Jaluwan Bangwathanagun from Mahidol University, Bangkok, Thailand. I'm so appreciated to join this summer school at KAIST. This university is very good and big, and professor it have a lot of information to give us, and the course is very interesting for people who want to enjoy about the applied mathematics or pure science. Well, I think they love it to take a course here, but I'm not so pure science, but I really enjoy this summer school too.
Hello, my name is Ponpum Kamthatasana from Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok, Thailand. I'm appreciated to this summer school. I think it's good to meet of your like professor and NTA and an international school from Vietnam. This university is good, and I have learned many things from professor in many course, and I think he have more experience that is to match to my life in Bangkok, Thailand.